So hello and welcome to Smart Study. Today again I am back with another circuit problem. So before starting, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. So let's start. Here we have given the question as the impedance looking into the node 1 and 2 in the given circuit is. Here you have to calculate the impedance between this node 1 and the node 2. So for such type of circuit problems, the very first step that we need to do is that we need to assume a voltage source V between node 1 and this node 2. And suppose VI is the impedance at 1 and 2. So here we have the circuit diagrams, and here we have assumed one voltage source in between 1 and 2. And then we'll calculate this current IB. So IB equals to this. Here we have grounded. So 0 minus, since the current is flowing in this direction, so 0 minus this volt means V. Here we have V. So 0 minus V upon this 9 kilo ohm and 1 kilo ohm are in series. So right now these two resistors will be added. So 9 plus 1 gives 10. So IB equals to 0 minus V upon 10 kilo ohms. So assume this as equation 1. Now if you apply nodal analysis, then we can write here IB minus IB, since this is the incoming current, so minus IB plus now V upon this 100 plus, and again this 99 IB is incoming current, so it will be minus 99 IB, and again this, here we have current I, so again this I is the incoming current, so that will be equals to 0. Since we know incoming current equals to outgoing current, so here we have, after applying the nodal analysis, here we have the equation as minus IB plus V upon 100 minus 99 IB minus I equals to 0. And if we solve these equations, we will get here V equals to 10 to the power 4 IB plus 100 I, and this is our equation 2. So from 1 and 2 we will calculate as V is equals to 10 to the power 4, and in place of IB we have minus V upon 10 kilo ohms, so we'll write here minus V upon 10 kilo ohm means 10 to the power 4 plus 100 I, and here we have 2V equals to 100 I, and we need the ratio of V upon I, so impedance V upon I will be 50 ohms. So this is our required answer. So in this way you can calculate such type of circuit problems. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. Thank you.